What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be telling you guys how to send the transactional emails in the Brevo. For that the process is very simple. Click on the link in the description below. You will be redirected to this dashboard on the Brevo. Once you're on the dashboard, make sure that you follow these steps. First thing first, you need to know that if your domain is verified, your SMTP records are verified and all that stuff, if it's all done, then what you have to do is to attach your e-commerce platform, and then that is WooCommerce. Go to the e-commerce platform, click on connect my store, and then you will be able to connect your stores. Just click on the WordPress and then you will have to install the plugin in it. So once it's installed, download the WordPress plugin, install it, and then all you have to do is to sign with your WordPress credentials, and that would do it. So that is how you guys can do it. And once it's been updated, then you will be able to see in the marketing section, in the campaign section, you will be able to see the transactional emails. So this is how you guys can do it. It clearly says transactional. So click on the transactional and then you will be able to use it. I hope you find it helpful. Take care. Bye bye.